Still, different day. I just be styling this hard to sleep. Still, she never really hard for me. Always prepared, cause I know what she waiting at my shots when we celebrate. With the hell when it be me. Yeah, I was looking for Big G. And smoke at me street. Everybody thought they knew. The bitch she didn't get movie. They didn't do me. We got the sky smoothie. She not a white shit ruby. I like that shit, can't believe me. Still, red and that's so pretty. Stick in the dirt like, stick in the dirt like duties.
So this is how the car sounds with the valves open, by the way. That's valves open. We finna change it to stealth mode. Let's see. We gonna change it to stealth mode. I might just let the car warm up for a little second. Give y'all a couple reels of how it sounds with the valves open. And then double back. And then record it with the valves closed. So yeah, track mode open. This the idle. Nothing too crazy.
I'm gonna sit y'all down real quick, give it a couple rails when it's open, and I'm gonna switch it to closed. It's the same thing, but it's open.
If y'all heard the difference. So the second one was valves closed with a couple of revs, but to be honest, ain't no more of that once we cut these mufflers off. I am gonna keep them. I'm keeping them just in case if the car is too loud and I don't like it, I want to double back and put the mufflers back on. Y'all gonna be mad at me today. Y'all gonna be so mad because I just realized I was like, damn, I could have been vlogging this, bro. So I got my MSD two-step. My boy, the governor or Keelix, what you want to call him, he made me go buy one, bro, after seeing that Z01 just shooting flames like that. I'm like, bro, that shit is crazy. This shit was like ridiculous. So I went and bought one. I did an impulsive buy and bought one. So I just got done installing it. I'm not done all the way. It's pretty easy, bro. Not gonna lie to you, like, golly, I'm the type of dude that don't like working on my own car because the easy installs be taking the longest. But I kid you not, this was pretty good. This was pretty good. So all you have to do, it's just unplug your coil packs. I already did it. I hate that I didn't record. I'm so sorry, y'all. So let's just act like these the old ones. So these the old ones, you know, we're gonna look on this side. This side's much better. So these the old ones, right? Focus, please. Focus, 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 focus. All you gotta do is press. I got a screwdriver and I just pressed up on this red tab, and once it pop up, you just squeeze this black part and pull out. And you're gonna do that 8 times on both sides. So let's just imagine you pulled out the old ones, right? And you got your new ones. So when you get your new ones, it's gonna come with a dummy plug right here. So you get your dummy plug, and this is the old one. This is the old one, by the way. So you get your dummy plug, you get your old plug, and you just connect those together. And then you pop your new one. Okay. And you pop your new one in where the old one was at. So new one in, old one out into the dummy plug. So I got everything installed. I do have the two-step right here. You gotta plug it into your blue line. Make sure you wired it up to the blue line, not the blue and white one, but the blue line, my guy. The blue line, my guy. And I ran it through because I had a sound tube, but I did do a sound tube delete. So I just ran it where my sound tube used to be at, right there, right there. Started recording. Yes, sir. Hell yeah. Alright, bro. So we got the two-step in. We finna head to the muffler shop now, probably. Oh, that wind, my bad, y'all. But yeah, so we finna head to the muffler shop now. But I ain't gonna lie to you, I wanna slap it at the neutral. I'm gonna slap it at neutral real quick. Let the RPMs die all the way down. And I wanna hear something, hold on, let's see. I ain't gonna lie, that bit tough, but we need it louder. Alright, so we finna cut the muffler off. We keeping the dual tips. Goddamn. Real. Y'all been asking to see underneath. They go underneath. X-pipe. All that. Speed engineering headers. All of that. So no secondary cats. So it's gonna be straight pipe without the muffler. Goddamn. Gotta do a pull for y'all, y'all know that, right? We gonna drop down to like 60 bit. 60 good. Like I said, it's loud. I'm like, damn, bro, this shit is unbearable. You know what I'm saying? Oh, 12 is right there. Sound good. Sound good. Alright, so that's how we gonna end the video for this one. Next video, I'm gonna let him.
Yeah, don't get my motor.
Come on, man, that shit on camera, that slow ass shit. Like what y'all seen though, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, shit like that, and tap in.